everyone. So today I'm going to share my thoughts on the Indie Wild 1% Bakuchi Oil Serum. If you're someone who's been using retinol but want to have a gentler and an alternate version of it, so this one would be for you because this product is enriched and rooted with a lot of Ayurvedic ingredients and it is absolutely fantastic. So if you're someone who wants to switch from a retinol to a Bakuchi oil, ये वीडियो मे बी आपके लिए है. So keep on watching because I'm going to keep it very very simple for you to understand if this product is actually meant for you or not. To start with, this is something the bottle looks like. This comes with like a pipette kind of a packaging when you see. Yeah, so this is something it looks like. I like the packaging. I also have seen that they have come with a new packaging which is like on a pump thing, which is absolutely stunning. I really like something which is like in a pump packaging because it is very easy to use, very easy to travel with. There is no spillage issues and stuff. So I really like that. So I can't wait for this to get over so that I get my hands on that. But yeah, this is really, really good one. Now, which skin type it is going to work? I think it is going to work for dry skin type because I, in the winters, was very dry skin and this really worked. Now I'm a combination skin type, so it works. So I think it is going to work for dry skin, normal skin, and combination skin. I'm not very sure if it's going to work for oily skin because the texture of this is very oily. I'm going to just put a little here. Yeah, so if you see it's super runny, but you should also understand that it has like nice fragrance, like that Ayurveda fragrance, but it is oily and it takes a lot of time to seep in basically. तो मैं इसको actually रात में लगाता हूँ, but when I use this ना, इसको बहुत ज़्यादा time लगता है. Like it takes about good 10 minutes for my skin to just let that in, and you really need to give it like a good massage to let it seep in to your skin. But see, it's still there, but it is little oily. It is not sticky. It is not sticky or heavy, but it is really oily. So I don't think that it would actually fit in, or you know will be good for an oily skin type, because then it is going to be super super oily. So I wouldn't recommend this to an oily skin type. If you're someone who is an oily skin type and have used this and this has worked for you, please put that in the comments so that it helps the other people who are watching this video. Now let's come to the ingredient part, which I really really want to talk about. Now this one has 1% bokochi oil. Now this is a plant based derived alternative to retinol, which is really stunning and also gentler on the skin. So I love this product, number one, because it really helps to fade pigmentation. Number two, it unclogs your pores. And number three, it really helps to improve the skin elasticity. And this all happens without irritation, without peeling, and without causing sensitivity. And that's the reason I really like this product. So this one also has choline, which is deeply hydrating antioxidant. It really helps to repair the damaged skin and also give you like that youthful glow. So I really like that part of it also. The texture of it, like I've told you, it's oily, but it is not sticky. It is lightweight. It does take time to get absorbed in the skin, to be very very honest, especially the combination skin. It does take time, but when you wake up in the morning, your skin looks absolutely beautiful. I've been using this, like, first I used this thrice in a week, and then I started using like 4 times a week. And sometimes I also use it like every night, and it has not given me any redness or burning sensation or irritation. It really really helps. But I love the fact that when I apply it on my face and I wake up in the morning, it really gives me that natural glow. So I really really love it. So this has a component which is called as a tripeptide complex, which is extremely great because it really supports collagen and also helps to firm your skin. So if you're looking for something which helps you prevent the early signs of aging, you can really get your hands on this because this is extremely beautiful. After using this for like about few months now, I genuinely feel that it has really worked for my skin. It has really helped to give me that glowy and plumpier skin. It has really made my skin look more youthful. It has really helped me with the skin texture and firmness. So I really like that. And also it has also kept my skin super hydrated. So whenever I wake up in the morning, I don't feel super dry. Instead, I really feel and look more nicer. Every time I look in the mirror, I don't know, but it really feels so much damn confident. So I really like the product. When you feel confident and look confident, you automatically everything around you just makes sense. I'm just talking about life right now. But yeah, this product is really amazing because I'm really looking for something which is Ayurveda but does the job, because I was really looking for something which is an alternative to retinol because I really thought that it is nicer. It really gives instant, effects, but uh I still needed something which is like lighter and firmer on the skin and I don't irritate my skin. So this really worked for me. So I'm very happy about it. Another thing that I really love and appreciate about this product is it is fragrance free, that essential oil free, alcohol free, SLS free, and all that harsh chemicals that go inside the product is free from all of those. I really appreciate that. So it would also suit a sensitive skin person, so that is something that I truly believe. So yes, I really think this entire video made sense because I really wanted to keep it simple, not make it very complex, so that you understand if it will work for you or no. It is really good. If you're someone who is in your late 20s or in your 30s, you can start using this because it is great. As soon as you see lines and wrinkles and your skin texture going for a toss, you can get your hands on this and just start using it. But yes, again, like I said, I'm not very sure if it is going to it is going to suit the oily skin type girlies. So if you're someone who's oily skin type and you would have used it and you think this have suited you, you can just put that in the comments. And any which ways, if anybody of y'all have used it, and let me know your reviews on the comment because it will really help. So with me, I give this like a absolute thumbs up. I really love it. I've been using this for over months now, and yes, I completely adore it. So if you're starting with actives or looking for like calming anti-aging serum, you can totally get your hands on this. I really love the fact that it is clean and super effective. So yes, that was my final verdict. And if you like this video, you know the drill. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. Love.